Hey guys, Chelsea here. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how I edit so many photos in Photoshop. You're going to want to set this up first and foremost. So if you have actions in Photoshop, this is going to be really amazing. If you do not have actions, it's very easy to create the actions. I'm going to go edit, and you're going to edit your keyboard shortcuts. You're going to put something in here that may be easier for you to do. I know I have done that. We're on the wrong one. I need to go to menus, and we're going to do our application menus. Now I go file, and then we're going to go down here to look for automate. Here we go. Batch right here. So I have a keyboard shortcut already. This is also how you can kind of see what your keyboard shortcut is for there or assign it. So that's what you're going to want to do, is set that up. Or not, whatever. You can always just go here to File, Automate, and then Batch. See right here, I have it as Command B. So I would just go in here and click, and you can choose exactly what set you want to do. You can choose literally whatever you want in here. So if I wanted to flatten all of these and not have to go through each individual one, I would just say, hey, I want you to run flatten on all of these open files. You can run it on a folder. We'll stop for errors and everything like that. We're not going to put it in a destination because we're still going to have the file open. So I'm going to hit OK. It's going to run that through. It's pretty quick. It's already done it. And then I know that I want to run my favorite action, which is this guy right here. You can also just click it and then go back up here, automate, batch, and then see, the one that I want it to run is right here. This is just running my portraiture and my twig and olive action that I got, and it's going to do for all open files, and we're going to say okay. All right, so here we are. We've already got our presets or actions applied. So now what we're going to want to do is go to scripts. And like I said, you can set up your hotkey for that as well. Mine is set to F5. So you go image processor. This is also a big helpful thing. So step 1, select your images to process. You can use the open images, or you can select a folder. So you don't even have to pull them all individually into Photoshop if you don't want to. You can just choose a folder. Where are you going to save it? Well, I want mine saved in the same location. It will create another folder automatically for this. You can save it as JPEG if you want. You can save it as a PSD. I'm going to save it as a TIFF. And then I'm going to run a flatten action. I don't know, I'm just a little OCD, and if I don't flatten it on the way out, I just think that it's not good enough. So you don't have to run an action. That's just what I do. So then we'll hit run, and it's going to save all of your images. Boom, just like that. And these are going to be in that same folder where these raws were. This has got to help so many people out. I know it's helped me out, and I don't want to gatekeep this at all. I didn't realize that not a lot of people knew this. So here you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this little hack. I know I did, so bye.